This is Ben from Testive, and we're solving an SAT system of equations. Okay, the thing to remember when we see a problem like this, where it says where one of our options is there are an infinite number of solutions, or if we have one of our options says there is no solution, or there are no solutions. The thing to remember, there's two things there. One is remember that your answer choices actually give you information. So this answer choice is about to guide me in telling you how to solve this, instead of just solving it blindly as if I don't have any answer choices. I do. They're right here. Second thing is specifically when we see there are an infinite number of solutions or there's no solution, we want to remember that we're not just solving equations here. These equations actually could represent lines, right? These are linear equations. They represent lines in a coordinate plane. And so we can rework these equations so that they are more easily interpreted as lines. Because if we have an infinite number of, because solution to a system of lines is the place where those lines cross one another. So like this would be the solution to these, if this were line A and this were line B, the solution is right here. Now, you'd have infinite solutions if those lines actually are the same line, right? And you'd have no solution if those lines are parallel and they never cross. So all we have to do is figure out first, if these are actually the same line, then the correct answer will be there are an infinite number of solutions. So that would be the first thing to check. I know this doesn't sound efficient because I'm taking a long time, but I'm explaining to you how you could solve this on other problems as well. So actually, it would be pretty quick because what we're going to do is just see, are these the same line? And then we'll have put them into an easily usable format anyway. So 2x plus 3y equals 6. Okay, so let's put this in y equals mx plus b form. So 3y equals 6 minus 2x. Y equals 2. Okay, we're dividing both sides by 3. 2 minus 2 over 3 x, which actually I guess in y equals mx plus b equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. Okay. First, this second line here, all right, well, we can already see it's going to be the same as this one because y minus 2 equals negative 2x over 3. Well, that's just y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. So those are the same exact line, which means that any point along either line is a solution to those lines. In a sense, they're always crossing because they're never crossing the same line. So there are an infinite number of solutions. That's correct. We would know that they were parallel if we got the same slope for both lines with different intercepts, so that they're running parallel to one another and never crossing, and that would tell us there's no solution. So that's a nice trick to speeding up how you solve a problem when you have this as one of your answer choices.